close till I get up. Time.
Good to see you guys. Welcome back here with Ajsa. We are going to solve exercise 2.1 of NCERT class 12. So let's solve it. Now question number 1 is sine inverse minus 1 1 by 2. So let us solve this problem. Here is the question. Now solve it. Let us take this minus in front of it. Minus sine inverse 1 by 2. Now we know the value of sine 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. The value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Then put it here. Minus pi by 6. Answer of this question is minus pi by 6. Next question is cos inverse root 3 by 2. Let us solve this question. We know the value of cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. So directly we put here pi by 6. So here is the answer of this question. Next question is cos inverse 2. So now solve this question. So cos inverse 2 है. So we convert it into sine inverse and then we know sine inverse 1 by 2. The value of sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Then directly we put here pi by 6 and the answer of this question is pi by 6. So let us put here pi by 6. And here is the answer pi by 6. Now question number 4 is tan inverse minus root 3. So let us solve this question. Now the question is tan inverse minus root 3. Let us take minus in front of it. Minus tan. Then we know minus as it is. Put here. And then we know the value of tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3. So let us put here pi by 3. And here is the answer of this question, pi by 3. So now solve next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Let us solve this question. We put this cos inverse as it is. Cos inverse. Now minus 1 by 2. We know cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So let us put here cos 2 pi by 3. Then its value is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So the answer of this question is 2 pi by 3. Now question number 6 is tan inverse minus 1. So let us solve. Now just take this minus in front of it. Now put as it is minus here and then we know the value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So let us put here pi by 4. Now the answer of this question is minus pi by 4. Now question number 7 is sec inverse 2 by root 3. So here is the question, sec inverse 2 by root 3. We put sec inverse as it is here. Sec inverse. Now 2 by root 3. We know that sec pi by 6 is equal to 2 by root 3. So in the place of 2 by root 3 we put here sec pi by 6. So let us put here sec pi by 6. Now we know the answer of this question is pi by 6. 6. Now move on to question number 8. So let us solve question number 8. Question number 8 is cot inverse root 3. Now here is the question cot inverse root 3. Now put cot inverse as it is, cot inverse, then root 3. The value of cot pi by 6 is equal to root 3. So let us put cot pi by 6 in place of root 3. Cot pi by 6. Now the value of this question is pi by 6, and pi by 6 is the correct answer of this question. Now move on question number 9. Question number 9 is cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. Now here is the question cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. So we put cos inverse as it is, cos inverse as it is, then minus 1 by root 2. We put cos 3 pi by 4 in place of minus 1 by root 2 because the value of cos 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So let us put here cos 3 pi by 4. Now put cos 3 pi by 4. Now the answer is 3 pi by 4. Next move on question number 10. Question number 10 is cosec inverse minus root 2. Here is the question cosec inverse minus root 2. Let us take this minus in front of it, minus cosec inverse root 2. Now we know the value of cosec inverse root 2 is pi by 4. So minus is putting here as it is. So minus cos inverse root 2 is equal to pi by 4. So let's put here pi by 4. Now the answer of this question is minus pi by 4. Now our next question is find the values of the following. So let us solve question number 11, and the question is tan inverse 1 plus cosec inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Let us solve this problem. Here is the question. Now let's solve it. Tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. The value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So let's put here plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2. The value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is 2 pi by 3. So let's put here 2 pi by 3 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. The value of sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. So minus pi by 6. Then solve this. Pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Now take as LCM. 12. 3 pi plus 8 pi minus 2 pi is equal to 11 pi minus 2 pi by 12 is equal to 9 pi by 12. कट गया. Question number 12 is cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Let us solve this. Here is the question. Now solve it. Cos inverse 1 by 2. The value of cos inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 3 plus 2 as it is put here. Sin inverse 1 by 2. The value of sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Then here pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 6. Let us take LCM. 6. 2 pi plus 2 pi is equal to 4 pi by 6, here is 2, and here 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. The correct answer is 2 pi by 3. Now question number 13, if sine inverse x is equal to y, then option number A, option number B, option number C, and option number D. The correct option is option number B, because here is less than and equal to sign, and we know the range of sine inverse x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So option number B is the correct answer. Now let's move on question number 14. Question number 14 is tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. So let us solve this question. So here is the question, tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. The value of tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. The value of sec inverse minus 2 is 2 pi by 3. Now take an LCM. 3 is 3. Pi minus 2 pi is equal to minus pi by 3. So the correct answer of this question is minus pi by 3. So the right answer is option number B. That's all. This exercise is completed. Thank you.